Hiya, in this video I'm going to be testing out this. It's a piping nozzle from Hobbycraft. It's called a Twist Twist one. It's like a different version of another popular branded one. I'm just going to try it for the first time. I've got a feeling this is going to be one of those things that looks really easy but is going to be a bit more fiddly. So this is the nozzle. You literally just have to squeeze it and twist your arm and it makes a kind of flower. So I've put some different coloured buttercream in here. I'm just going to ice cupcake. So I'm going to squeeze it, move the cupcake from side to side, but because I was actually holding it sideways so the camera could pick it up, it just completely failed because the buttercream just kind of slid to one side. Total fail. So this time you won't be able to see it on the camera as much, but I'm piping straight down and twisting backwards and forwards. Came out slightly better, still not great, but like I say, it's the first time trying this. And it leaves a little hole in the middle, so you have to kind of close that up, maybe pipe some buttercream in it, or add like a chocolate or something on top. I don't know, I think it's weird. If you carry on piping though, when you pull it away, it kind of goes to a point-ish. You kind of have to poke it so it actually does go to a point. I wouldn't recommend doing it with your fingers, but I was eating this one, so I was touching it. Yeah, so these come out really rubbish compared to other ones I've seen pictures of using these. So I think it actually does take some practice to do. So this isn't really a tutorial, this is just me testing out one of these, and as you can see I failed because these look really messy. I actually think I prefer piping flowers using a normal piping tip, but these are the best ones that came out, and like I say, they're rubbish. So if you've tried these and got any tips for me, feel free to tell me, because I know they're not very good. Okay, thanks for watching, see you in my next video, bye!